You're angling with Adria, and in this episode, we're inshore fishing, targeting redfish. Stay tuned to see what else we hook up to today. Make sure you watch all the way to the end, guys. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this fishing channel.
He did take it. Let's see. It might be a catfish. Oh, there it goes.
Might be a catfish. Oh, there it goes.
Looks like he's rubbing against something, of course. Oh. I'm bringing a branch, but I have the redfish on, and I guess the redfish came off. Did you see him? Just my luck. Oh God, look at this. I think I got one. Yep, there he goes. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, help me bring him in. Maybe. If you're gonna go back there, you might as well help me because of the dolphin. Okay, got one. Nice size. No, he got him already. He got him. He's right behind us. Get this stick. There he goes. Chasing him. Right here, right here. Oh, you did touch him.
I did.
Yeah, you did. And he's chasing him. Yeah, you did touch him.
No, I touched him. I fucking felt it. You get the sharp end next time.
And then he rubbed against my line. Oh, you took it right away, huh? I don't know. Yep. Jack. Ouch. Like, oh, his tail got my hand. God damn it, I'm getting injured today.
What a tough day trying to land fish and release the fish and whatnot. This dolphin was a nuisance. He did not leave the area at all. He kept trying to take our fish. So he was a very aggressive dolphin. So we ended up leaving the area and just kind of kept fishing throughout our day. As you saw in the beginning, we caught a couple redfish. And then I ended up getting Jack as well, which those are a fun fight for me, and I'm starting to enjoy them a lot more. But I did hope that you enjoyed this episode. Thanks again for watching, guys. Please make sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, guys, catch you guys later.